Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're watching my face for the very first time, then hello, it's me Booby and I'm a makeup artist. So please go and subscribe to my channel and hang on with me till the end of the video. And if you liked my video, then don't forget to like and comment. Also share with your friends and family if you are interested. So in today's video, according to the title, I have brought some new products from Nykaa. I have went to the Nykaa stores and got some products which I was eyeing to get them from a very long time, and so I have got them. So this is the very first time that I will be trying these products and I will be sharing my opinion to all of you guys. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you did, let me know. So guys, I have prepared my skin. I have applied some toner and I have applied a good layer of lip balm to my lips because my skin is feeling a little dry and my lips are being little crusty these. So the first product that I will be using is this one. This is the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. It's a primer but it also hydrates and moisturizes your skin very nicely. So I'm not using any other moisturizer because then my skin may feel little heavy, and because my skin is in the oily side, it will be little too greasy for my skin especially. But if you want to go ahead, then please go ahead and use a moisturizer. Also, these products I'm using for the very first time, so I'm just a bit concerned about how they work and how they will perform on my skin. I don't know at all, but these products were very hyped in the market, so I've brought all of them. So this is how the product looks like. I love the packaging. It's very sturdy. It has a pump in it. So the texture is very nice, very mousse gel type texture it has. I think it will work quite well on my skin because on my skin, water based and gel based moisturizers primers works really well because it doesn't make my skin very greasy and it really feels so good. It has a very nice, I think, orange smell or something like that. So as I have predicted, it gave my skin a very good moisturize effect, but I don't see that kind of glow which it has written. Like it has written vitamin C glow, so I was expecting some glow from within kind of look, but I don't see such major glow from this primer. But it's quite good. It's hydrating. It has moisturized my skin very nicely. So let's see, and I will be waiting for few couple of seconds so that the primer can just sweep into my skin properly. Okay, so the next product that I will be using is my most favorite. I was dreaming to get this product since a very long time, and finally I have brought this product, but I wasn't sure for the big size, so I've brought the mini size of this product. I'm talking about none other than the Fasali product. So I love all the Fasali products. I have heard a lot of good things, and I know there's a hype around the market for these products. So I really wanted to try all of the serums, all of the primers, the hydrating creams, the under eye cream, everything, but I couldn't afford. So I've brought this one, the Fasali anti-blurring primer. I'm just being extremely careful with this product because I don't want to waste any of the serum because I've already got very less quantity. So I've applied to the areas where I have open pores and a textured skin. This product doesn't have any smell sorts of thing, and I know it doesn't make sense to have smell. Like, why add extra fragrant to any of the product? Okay, so what I have noticed with this primer is it won't fill up your pores. It haven't mentioned anywhere that it will fill your pores, but it definitely makes your skin lot smoother. So this is definitely a very good product, and I may restock it, but I have to try it one or two times more to see what exactly it does and how exactly I will use it. Okay, so next is the foundation, and for foundation I have this, the Too Faced foundation, and I'm gonna use it now. Also, if you're wondering what shade I'm in the shade nude. I have went to the store while purchasing the products. Usually for foundation, I don't purchase online. I'm very concerned about my shade because I don't know how to pick shades. Okay, so the foundation, the packaging itself looks very luxurious. Like I'm loving this packaging. It's very heavy, it's very sturdy, and it also has a pump in it. So for application of this foundation, what I will be doing is I will be applying this side of my foundation using a brush and the other side using a beauty blender to see how it performs with both the tools. So I'm not sure if this will match my skin tone because it looks very light. Even in the Nykaa stores, they just show you the lighter shades. I was just continuously asking them for darker shades. I don't know whether they have all the shades or not, but they just like they will ask you, they will prefer you to go for the lighter shades. I don't know why. And also because of the lightning, you won't understand which shade suits you exactly. Okay, so for this side of my face, I will be using this beauty blender. By the way, this beauty blender is from Haina Beauty. For my face, I will be using my pack foundation brush to blend the foundation. Okay, so I know I might be looking like a ghost right now, but don't worry, we will sort it out. I don't know why she gave me a wrong shade of foundation, but in the store it was looking okay for me. So anyways, about the foundation, it gives a very sheer coverage while you use it using a beauty blender. But like all the other foundation, if you're using it with a brush, it will give you a very nice full coverage HD makeup look. So I'm quickly run my beauty blender on my entire face so that I will just like remove the excess product. I think it looks good once I like blend it properly to my entire body. So now we have blended the foundation nicely, and I think this foundation may not be suitable for dry skin types because it already feels little cracky on my oily skin. Although I have prepared my skin very nicely before applying the makeup. So dry skin peoples, I think you have to stay away from this foundation. Also, this foundation, I don't think I have to set because it's already matte, and if I set, I think it will be too dry for my skin as well. Next, I will be using the Too Faced concealer. Applying the concealer in the inner corner of my eyes because I have lots of darkness there. And also applying it to the highest point of my, taking my packed brush to blend and buff all the concealer that I have applied now. Hey guys, sorry, while I was blending the concealer there was a power cut, so I wasn't able to record that part. So I have blended my concealer nicely, and now I will do the rest of my face. off camera and I will be back to you guys. So guys, I have done my entire face makeup and I have also done my eye makeup, but I haven't done my eyebrows yet because we have a new brow product. So I have brought this Brow Tech to Go brow product and it's in the shade brunette. It has the brow stick one side and the brow setter mascara on the other side. Okay, this is how the brow pencil looks like. I think it's not very precise, it's little on the thicker side, but let's try and see how it works. Light. I think my brow looks a little lighter on the camera, but off camera it looks quite well. So now I'm using the other side. That's the brow gel. There's a small wand like we have on the mascara. This pulley to just set our brows. By the way, it's a clear mascara. It doesn't have any tint, any shade, any color to it. This Smashbox always on liquid lipstick in the shade recognized. I love Smashbox lipsticks. They are very comfortable on the lips and they don't look very chappy or very matte, very drying. It's a very comfortable formula. So it's a very nude, pale shade. I don't know if it will look good. Okay. So I hate this lip shade. Just completely washed out my face and no, this is not for me, girl. So what I will do is I will just apply a little darker shade of another lip shade so that it will balance out the lip shade a little bit and it will look good for my skin tone.